In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Walmart login not working. Let's get started. First, make sure you are entering the correct email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option and follow the instructions to set a new password. Next, check your internet connection and ensure it's stable, as connectivity problems can prevent successful logins. Next, clear cache and cookies of the Walmart. For that, click on this icon, select the option Cookies and Site Data. Now click on Manage on-device site data. Click on the trash icon for Walmart. Then reload the page. With this, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, what you can do is check if you are connected to any VPN, proxies, or ad blockers. Click on three dots, select the option Extension, click on Manage Extension. Disable any VPN, proxies, or ad blockers temporarily, as they can sometimes interfere with Walmart's authentication system. You should also try logging in from a different browser or device to determine whether the issue is device specific. If Walmart servers are experiencing temporary outage, you may need to wait until the service is restored. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Walmart customer support for further assistance with your account. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.